Next activity on scratch coding cards is change costumes. In order to do this activity, we are going to use this rooster sprite, the blue sky backdrop, and this is the instruction set that we are going to give to this particular sprite. And every time we are going to click on the rooster, it is going to change the costumes. In order to do this activity, we will open our Scratch application and we will go to the sprites library to take the desired sprite. From the search box, we can search for a rooster. And once you click on this, this will be visible to us on the game stage. For this activity, we do not need the cat sprite, so we can delete it. And we will go to the backdrop library and take the blue sky backdrop from there. Once you see the options, you can click on any of the desired option. Once the backdrop is visible on the game stage, now is the time to give the instructions. So from the events category, we will take the first instruction when we are going to click on this rooster. So it should change the costumes. So we will go to the looks category and take the instruction switch costume to. Here you can see three options are there. If we follow the scratch coding cards, we will take this second option, rooster B. And now it is going to wait for some time. So we can give fraction of seconds, for example, 0.3 seconds. We can surely increase or decrease the time duration accordingly as per the requirement. And to make it more interesting, we will use the same set of instructions one more time, and we will change the costume to rooster A. Now every time we are clicking on this sprite, it is changing costumes on the game stage like this.